How to remove black boxes on desktop icons in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will see how we can remove black boxes on desktop icons on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up run command in your device. For that, click on the search bar and then search for run command. After that, this run command prompt will pop up in your interface. So here on the text box, you have to type in percentage local app data percentage. Once you have typed in that, click on OK. Now, once you have this window in your device, click on this three dot icon. From this drop down box, click on options. Here, once you have this folder option pop-up box, go to view, and here make sure that you have chosen this option that is show hidden files, folders and drive. If you haven't selected that, select that with the help of this tick mark and then click on OK. Once you have done that, now look for a file that says icon cache. There is this file that is icon cache. Right click on it and then delete this file. After you have deleted this file, you can close this. Now restart your device. After you restart your device, your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.